morning students. Now today standard 8 subject maths revision question number 2. Solve the following 2 marks. Today students we will solve 2 marks questions. Okay. Now here we will start this question number 2. First simplify. In this first number we can observe 6 by 7 multiply 3 by 4 plus in second bracket 6 by 7 multiply 11 by 4. So first of all students we have to observe from this both bracket which number is same. Which number is same? We can observe here 6 by 7 and 6 by 7 both are same. So first we will take out in common. Means which number is common, that number we have to take out common. So we can take out 6 by 7 common. Okay. Now this common, so remaining terms we have to write 3 by 4 plus 11 by 4. Is it clear beta? In this first bracket 6 by 7 is common, in second bracket 6 by 7 is common, so remaining terms are 3 by 4 plus 11 by 4 because these and these both are common. Now see this 6 by 7, yes. Here first we will simplify the small bracket. In this small bracket 4 is LCM, yes, and both denominator are same. If both denominator are same, then we can write out numerator simply 3 plus 11 by 1 time LCM 4. Is it clear beta? Okay, good. Now 6 by 7 and here 11 plus 3 14 by 4. Now what is the relation between this and this? Here multiplication relation, so we can write, we can cut upper side down side. 6 2s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So now 3 is our final answer. Is it clear beta? Very easy, very simple sum. This type of sum, simple we have to do simplification. Definitely we will get correct answer. In the second number sum, same concept we will use here. Here minus 3 by 8 multiply 28 by 25 minus 3 by 8 multiply 3 by 25. Here same situation here. In this both bracket we can observe minus 3 by 8 and here also minus 3 by 8, both numbers same. So first we have to take out it common. Here we take out minus 3 by 8 minus 3 by 8 common. Now minus 3 by 8 is common, so remaining terms are 28 by 25 minus this already we can take out it common, so remaining terms 3 by 25. Now minus 3 by 8, here both denominators same, so we can write numerator terms 28 by 3 upon 25. So here minus 3 by 8 and is 28 minus 3 25 and upon 25. Here is both same, so we can cancel. Yes, so right answer is minus 3 by 3. Is it clear beta? Now this third number so we can observe minus 4 by 5 multiply 3 by 7 multiply 15 by 16 multiply minus 4 by 19. So here students we can observe what are the relation between here. Here multiplication relation. Multiplication relation, that means we can cut upper side, down side, both side we can cut. Okay. So here simple. See, minus 4 by 5 multiply 3 by 7 multiply 15 by 16 multiply minus 14 by 9. Okay, so see, we can cut up 5 is 3. Okay, 7 is 14. Yes, 3 is 9. This 3 is cut and 4 4 is 16 and also 2 is 4. So and here 2 times minus sign given. How many times minus sign given? 2 times. 2 times minus sign given. So we have to remove minus sign in answer. So only one. Upper side no one, this is our final answer. So this type of simplification we can do with that. Now in this number 4, multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. Which number we will get? See, this multiply 6 by 13. This 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. Reciprocal means numerator is going to denominator, denominator is going in numerator. So we can write 16 by 7. Is it clear? Now we can cut upper side and down side. So 16 6 are 96. 90. Okay. Now 1 10 minus sign, so we have to put minus sign in answer 96 by 91. Okay. Now solve the following. In solve the following, 7x minus 9 equals to 16. So first of all, in here one rules already I taught. If whenever we transform any place one side to another side, that means right side to left side or left side to right side, that time we have to change its placing. Its sign means plus will become minus and minus will become plus. Multiply is going in division and division going in multiplication. Simply these four rules we have to remember. See, this minus 9. First we will remove this minus 9. So that means in short we have to change, transform this place minus 9 to right side. So its sign will be changed. Minus will become plus. So this side, so it will become plus 7x 16 as it is, minus 9 plus 9. This 7x 16 plus 9 25. Now what is the relation between 7 and x? That is multiplication relation. That means 7 is going in downside. So we can write x equal to 25 by 7. So this is our final answer. Okay, is it clear, beta? Okay, good. Now same concept, minus 3 will get side, so it will become plus 7 plus 3. So 2x equal to 7 plus 3, 10. 2 is going in downside, so x equal to 10 by 2. So x equal to 2 5 is 10. So 5 is the right answer. Okay, beta? Now here 17 plus 6 equal to 9. So simple. First we will remove this 17. So we have to take this 17 left side to right side. So it will go in that side. That means it will become minus 17. So 60 equal 19 minus 7. 8. And big term sign is minus. Now 6 is going in downside. Minus 8 by 6. So 3 2s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So P equal to minus 4 by this right answer. In 8 numbers of minus 16 equal to 3x plus 2. So first of all we will transfer this plus to right side to left hand side. So plus 2 will become minus 3x. Minus plus 16 plus 2, 18, and big term sign minus 3 is going in downside. 3 6 18, x equal to minus. Clear? Now plus 3x is going this side, so it will become minus 3x equal to 16. 7 minus 3, 4x. 4 is going in downside. X equal to 16 by 4. 4 4 is 16. X equal to. This clear? So here 3x will go in this side, so we have to change its sign. Minus plus will become minus. 7 minus 3, 4x. 4 is going in downside. 16 by 4. 4 4 is 16. X equal to 4. Now both sides variable given, left hand side and simple first, which 9 is greater than of 7. That means we have to transform this small digit to big digit. So first we will transform the 7x to this side. So it will become minus 7x and minus 15, and these both are digits. So minus 15 is going this side. So it will become minus and plus. You see, first we will write 9x as plus 7x this side minus 7x. And this one minus 15 this side plus 1. Very good. Once again 9x plus 7x this side minus 7. Minus 15 this side plus 1. Very good. Is it clear, beta? Now 9 minus 7 2x. 15 plus 1 16. 2 is going to downside. X equal to 16 by 2 8 plus 16. X equal to 8. Okay, very easy, very simple sum. Step by step you will go. Definitely you will get right answer. Now here, first we will simplify this small bracket. So 2 is multiplication with x, so 2x. Now minus 3 is 6 minus 7 6 minus this 5x minus sign, so inside bracket sign we have to change it will become minus 5 once again this 2x minus 2 3 6 minus 7 equal to 6 minus 5x minus this side will become minus 5 over 5. Now here 2x minus minus plus 6 plus 7 13 and big term sign minus. Here minus 5x and this plus minus minus 6 minus 1 and big term sign plus. Okay, now x same variable we will keep one side. So minus 1 will come this side, so it will become plus, and minus 7 is going that side, so it will become plus. So 2x as it is minus 5x this side plus 5x, this one as it is minus 13 that side plus 13. 5 plus 2 7x, 13 plus 1 14, and 7 going downside. So x equal to 14 by 7. And students, we know 7 is 14. So x equal to 2 is the right answer of this question. Now in sum number 12, this is very important sum. Write Pythagoras triplet whose one member is 6. Students, we know that where we can use Pythagoras triplet, students, already we know we can use Pythagoras triplet in a right triangle. If there is proper right triangle, then that means we can use their Pythagoras triplet. And if it is right triangle, then we can use Pythagoras triplet. Otherwise, no. See, suppose this is right triangle. This right triangle. This right triangle. In this right triangle, these both adjacent sides and this hypotenuse. Is it clear? These both are adjacent sides and this hypotenuse. So we can take here also 2m, or we can also take here 2m. Okay. Now this side is m square minus 1. Then this hypotenuse measurement is m square plus 1. So we have to take this 2m. Suppose 2m we will take 6. 2m always we will take 2m equal to 6. Now 2 is going in downside, so 6 2. 2 3s are 6. So m equal to 3. M equal to 3. Once again, this measurement is 2m and its measurement already given. Means from these three sides, one side measurement given. Suppose we will take one side, and one side given measurement equal to 6. So you can write 2m equal to 6. 2 is going downside. That means in short we got here m value. M value is 3. Now let's we want to find another 2 remaining. That value we want to find. So we can take here m square minus 1, m square minus m value already we have, we got 3 square 9 minus 9 minus 1 is 8. Now this hypotenuse value we want to find, then we can write m square plus 1, m value is 3 square plus 1, 3 square plus 1 is 9 plus 1, 9 plus 1 is 8. That means this measurement is 6, this measurement is 8 and this measurement is 10. Clear beta? So here this 10 given, see this 10 given, so we can take one side measurement 2m equal to 10, 2 is going in downside, so we can write 10 by 2, 2 5 are 10, m equal to 5, so m equal to 5, 2m equal to 10 and 2 is going in downside, 2 5 are 10, m equal to 5. Now this measurement we will put in this value m square minus 1, and when we got 5 square minus 1, 5 square is 25 minus 1, 25 is 20. So this side measurement is 24, this side measurement is 10. Now hypotenuse m square plus 1, m value is 5, so 5 square plus 1, 25 plus 1 is 26. So that Pythagoras triplet means 3 sides measurement. One side given and other remaining 2 sides measurement we want to find, that and we can use this method. Is it clear beta? See, same concept we can use it. 8 given. So we can write 2m equal to 8. 2 is going downside. 8 by 2, 2 for the 8, m equal to 4. Now m square minus 1, m value is 4 square minus 1, 16 minus 1, 15, m square plus 1, m value is 4 square plus 1, 16 plus 1, 7. Now this 14 number, 2m equal to 14. Now 2 is going downside, 2 7 are 14, m equal to 7. So m square minus 1, 7 square minus 1, 7 square is 49 minus 1, this 48. Now second hypotenuse measurement m square plus 1. M value already we got is 7 square plus 1, and 7 square is 49 plus 1, 49 plus 1. Now this 16 same, 2m equal to 16, 2 is going in downside, 16 by 2, 2 8s are 16, m equal to 8. So m square minus 1, 8 square minus 1, 64 minus 1, 63. Same, m square plus 1, 8 square plus 1, 64 plus 1, 65. So this method we can use in Pythagoras triplet. Now in 16 number sum, find the cube root. Beta, we have to use here factorization method, and in factorization method we have to make it factors. Factorization method. Factorization method we have to use. So see this 9261. So this factorization method. So which digit we can divide this number? So this last unit place number is odd number. That means we can't divide this number by 2. So 3. So for that 3 verification, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9, 9, 18. So 18 number we can divide by 3. So that means in short we can say this number can be divisible by 3. See, this is very important. 3 3s are 9. Now 2 came, but 2 is less than or 3. That means we can't divide this number by 3. So we have to put here 0. Now this both number we have to take 26. 3 8s are 24. 26 minus 24, 2 remain 21. 3 7s are 20. 3 10s are 30. 3 2s are 6. 2 remain 27. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9, 1 remain 12. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9. Now 3 4 3. Yes, we know it is the cube root of 7. 49. 7 7. Okay. Now cube root find. That means we have to take 3 3 pairs. This 3 and this 7. So cube root of 9261 equal 3 multiply 7 3s are 20. Now this 10648 cube root we have to find. So we have to make it factors. Unit place is even number. That means it is divisible by 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 1 remain 13. 2 6s are 12. 1 remain 12. 2 6s are 12. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2. Now 1 double 3 1. That means we know this number is divisible by 11. 11 and this 121. 11 11s are 121. 11s are 11. So now cube root 3 3 plus this 3 plus and this 11 plus this 11. Now cube root of this number, cube root 10 6 4 8 equal 2 into 11. 11 2s are 20. Now the 16,000. For 16,000 direct we can find. So if we can't find its direct method, then see how can we find is the cube root of 0. 2 8s are 16, 0 0. 2 4s are 0 0. 2 2s are 0 0. 2 1s 0 0. 2 5s are 10, 0 0. 2 2s are 4. 1 remain 2 5s are 0. 2 1s are 10 25. Then 5 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. Now we can say here 3 is 3 terms, 3 and this 3. Yes, but 2 is alone. 2 is alone. That means here we can say that 16,000 is not a perfect cube number. Okay, therefore 16,000 is not a perfect cube number. Is it clear? Okay, and if we want to make this 16,000 perfect cube number, that means we can divide, we can multiply either one time to one time. That means we require more another 2 times. 2 required. So in short, 2 multiplied means 4. 16,000 should be multiplied with 4, then it will become perfect cube number. Otherwise, in second way we can speak this way. If 16,000 we will remove this 2, then it will become perfect cube number. So in another way we can say 16,000 should be divided by 2, then it will become perfect cube number. Is it clear? Now 8,000. Now we will start from 2 4 side. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 5s are 2 3s are 25 and this 5 25. Here also 5 5s are and 5 1s are 5. So these two and this 5. Okay. So here 3 2, here 3 2, here 3 2. So we can 8,000. 2 multiply 5. So 5 to the 10 is the 20. So 8,000 perfect cube number is 20. Now in 21 numbers add. Means this polynomial system. C terms given means star number. C terms given means star number. Here we want to do addition. Means this term and this term we have to add. So first of all plus sign, that means no problem. We will remove this bracket, so we can write 50 plus 5x square minus 10x plus 2x minus 2x square minus 5. Remove this one. Now which are like terms? X square and x square. Same variable and same power given, that means these both are like terms. So we can write 5x square minus 2x square x is like term, 10x plus 10x 2x, and this both digit constant term we will write at last. Now these both like terms, and we know that plus minus minus 5 minus 2 3x square, big digit sign is plus. Here also minus plus minus 10 minus 2 8x, and big digit sign is minus. Here plus minus 15 minus 12 20, and big digit sign is plus. So these are the right answers. In the second number, same concept, addition we have to do. That means we have to remove this small bracket. 10 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 2x square minus 8x minus 2. These both like terms we will write together. Minus 3x square plus 2x square plus 4x minus 8x plus 10 minus 2. So here like terms, minus plus minus 3 minus 2 1x square, and big term sign is minus. Now same variable like terms, plus minus minus 8 minus 4 4x, and big digit sign is minus. Plus minus minus 10 minus 2 8, and big digit sign is plus. Clear this better? Now this 23rd number, same concept. First 12m square minus m plus 4 plus 3m minus 5 minus 10 and square. So like terms 12m square, and this minus 10m square, this minus m plus 3m plus 4 minus 5. So here 12 minus 10 2m square, big digit sign plus. Here plus minus minus 3 minus 1 2m, big digit sign plus. Plus minus minus 4 minus 5 1, big digit sign minus. So this type of we can do addition of algebraic expression. Now in 24 number sum we want to do subtraction. So simple, first we will write this term 6a minus 5b minus 4c. Whenever we see outside bracket sign is minus, that time we have to change inside bracket sign which digit came. Those all signs we have to change. Plus given, that means we will put minus. Minus given, that means we will put plus. Okay, so simple. Minus. This is the bracket we have to write as minus. Outside bracket sign is minus. Inside here plus given. So we will change this sign, it will become minus 3. Plus minus. Plus minus. Now these both are like terms. So we will write together 6a minus 4a, 5b, and this 5b minus 3b, this 4c minus 3c. This like term, 6 minus 4 2a minus minus plus 5 plus 3 8b, with digit sign minus 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 plus 4 3 7 with digit sign minus. Now in 25th number sum, 5x minus 6y minus 2 minus in bracket 7 plus 3 minus 4x. So First we will write same 5x minus 6y minus outside left side minus to this side which is minus 3y plus 4x. Okay. Now like terms 5x plus 4x minus 6y minus 3y minus 2 minus 7. This like terms. 5 plus 4 9x minus minus plus 6 plus 3 9y big digit sign minus 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 plus 7 plus 2 9 big term sign minus. Now you write the sixth number sum. First we will write this 5m minus 3m square plus 2m square and outside bracket sign minus, so this sign will become minus 5m square minus will become plus and plus will become minus. Now this 5m and this minus 2m minus 3m square minus 5m square plus 2m square and this plus 3m like terms. So this 5 minus 2 3m big term sign plus this like term 5 plus minus minus plus 8m square big term sign minus plus 3 plus 2 5m square. This right answer of this question. Now in terms of number 27, find the value. It is from our chapter number 12, power and exponent. So in this sum we want to find the value of these numbers. So simple, there are 6 rules. First number rules for multiplication, same base multiplication, sum of their powers. Second rule, same base division, subtraction of their power. Third number rule, power on power. Then division rule, upper side downside power given. That means that power we have to distribute in numerator and denominator both sides. Whenever we see any digit power will be there minus, that time we have to interchange their places. So that power will convert into positive. And any digit power will be 0. So always we will get it answer 1. So these all are the rules for power and exponent. So in 27 number, find the value. So simple students, same base, 2, same base multiplication, same base multiplication, sum of their powers, 2, 6, minus negative, no problem, minus negative, yes, same base multiplication, sum of their powers, but minus given, so we have to write minus 1. Now 6. Minus plus 3 plus 1 4 big digit sign minus 6 minus 4 2 big term sign plus and 2 square we know. Okay. Now 28 number same. First we will simplify this. Same base multiplication, sum of their powers. 6 plus division average minus 10. 6 plus 2 8 division minus 3 raised to 7. Same base division subtraction of their powers. 8 minus 7. So 8 minus 7 1. So final answer is minus. In this 29 number we can say that 1 by 3 raised to minus 2 minus 1 by 2 raised to minus 3 divide 1 by 4 raised to minus. First of all students, we will simplify this small bracket, means curly bracket we will simplify, and this power is given in negative form. So first we will convert into positive. So that means that positive numerator we have to write in denominator we have to write in numerator. So its power will convert into positive. So this negative power, so we can write 1 by 3. So we can write 3 by 1, but 1 always will there any number. So simple we can write 1 3 by 1. So 3 and this power will become positive. Now 1 by 2, so we can write 2 and this minus will become plus. Divide 1 by 4, so we can write 4 by 1 and this power will become positive. Now 3 square. 3 square is 9, 2 cube is 8, divide. 4 square is 16, 9 minus 8 1, and this divide means we can write upon 1 by 16. Very easy sum. Now in 30 number sum, 2 by 3 raised to minus 2. So simple. First of all, students, we will that power is in negative form. So first we will convert this negative power into positive. Simple. That denominator we have to write in numerator, and numerator we have to write in denominator. So 3 will going outside and 2 is going downside. So we can write 3 by 2. So this power become positive. Now fourth number, numerator, denominator and whole square given, power given. That time that power we have to distribute in numerator and denominator, both sides we have to distribute. So this power we have to give upper side, 3 square and 2 square. 3 square we know 9 and 2 square is 4. So here students, we completed our revision of 2 marks. I hope you all have understood these all questions. So please, you all watch this video properly 2 or 3 times, and any doubt then you will ask me your doubts, I will solve. But in this revision already I have taken so many sums, so you will try on yourself. Now all the best and best of luck to all my dear students.